Bitcoin. For some, it's digital gold. For others, a tool of freedom. And for many, just a mystery. But what's the actual vision behind Bitcoin? Why was it created? And what could it mean for our future? That's exactly what we'll uncover in this video. Let's get started. Our story begins in 2008, in the middle of a global financial crisis. Trust in banks at an all-time low. Governments bailed out banks using taxpayer money. Right at that moment, an anonymous figure or group under the name Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Inside was a revolutionary idea, a decentralized digital money system, free from banks, governments, and middlemen. Bitcoin is a digital currency built on what's called blockchain technology. Instead of a central authority like a bank validating transactions, thousands of computers around the world, the Bitcoin network, do the job. Every transaction is recorded publicly, immutably, and chronologically on the blockchain. New Bitcoins are created through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical problems. But Satoshi's goal wasn't just to make digital money. Bitcoin was designed to solve a fundamental problem in our financial system: trust. In today's world, we're constantly forced to trust banks, central banks, governments. Bitcoin replaces trust with code and math. And here's the true vision behind it: freedom. Anyone, anywhere in the world can use Bitcoin. No permission, no bank account, no borders. Decentralization. No central authority can control or shut down Bitcoin. It's censorship resistant. Inflation protection. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins, unlike fiat currencies that can be printed endlessly. Financial inclusion. In many parts of the world, people don't have access to banking, but a smartphone is enough to use Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin has its critics: high energy consumption from mining, volatility, the price can swing wildly, use in illegal activities like the dark web, but many argue true freedom can't come without risk. A system that no one can control also can't be easily stopped. Bitcoin is more than money. It's a symbol of an alternative system, a world where power is decentralized, where people own their own assets, where digital sovereignty is possible. Will Bitcoin replace the global financial system? No one knows for sure, but one thing's clear: it's already sparked a movement that won't be stopped. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe for more Bitcoin and blockchain content, and let me know in the comments, what do you think of Bitcoin's vision? Utopia or future reality?